Ito, konting sharing. Andito na naman ang servant ng Panginoong Jesus. Ayan, sa Panginoon lamang ang papuri po. Bilang doktor din ng bayan ninyo na tumutulong sa inyo na may mga diabetes dyan, high blood pressure, merong mga gout, high cholesterol. Nakikita nyo sa mga postings ko, low carb po tayo. Isa yan sa mga pamamaraan kung paano natin marireverse yung ating mga medical conditions, mapapagaling yung ating mga sakit na dulot ng lifestyle. Lifestyle lamang din ang kasagutan. So, share ko sa inyo ngayon, isa sa mga niluluto ko po. Mahilig po akong gumamit ng slow cooker. Dyan ko niluluto yung mga karne. As you know, staple ng lifestyle natin ang pagluto ng protina. So proteins can come in many different forms. It can be your meat, it can be fish, it can be eggs. So ngayon, isa sa mga niluto kong proteins is pork. Dito sa Canada, you can buy this pork ready, nakakat na siya. So this is pork barbecue. 16 minutes na lang ang natitira at 6 na oras na po siya. It's great for, let's say, you wanna make a sandwich or pwedeng topping sa pizza. Meron din akong cauliflower pizza. And yung mga curious saan yung recipe, meron tayo sa YouTube, yung make from scratch. Pero if you're living abroad, you can also get that from Costco or other groceries are already carrying yung base na cauliflower para po low carb. Pakibasa na lamang yung label. So, the pork, when it becomes very tender, you can make that into pulled pork. Napakaraming uses or versatile kahit saan mo gamitin. So, you can make it into meat ng soup, you can make it into pulled pork sandwiches, you can make it dun sa pizza topping, or just eat it by itself with a salad, or just plain kung gusto ninyo, walang problema. You can do that with any meat as well, if you want. Beef, pwede rin po yan. Kailangan maging strategic tayo sa planning. It's very good to have a meal plan. I normally have a week to a month meal plan. Dahil nga po, busy ang buhay dito. And ako lang yung nagluluto. And of course, we want to continue to eat healthy. Napakadali lang naman po. Protina lang naman. As long as alam mo, ano bang mga partner ng protina mo, edi yung mga nandoon sa ating low carb food guide, nandun lang sa green section, sa go section niya, yung mga pwede nyong i-partner. Like in our case, it's mainly mga salad, things like olives, cheese, mga ganun lamang po, to stay low carb. At the same time, have enough energy pa rin kasi you're having enough protein. Kung hindi nyo pa alam yung inyong protein requirement, please go to YouTube, panood yung video natin about how do you calculate your protein requirement. Kasi kapag po yan ay kulang mga kapatid, hindi magiging successful yung transition natin. Bakit po? Dahil laging nagugutom. Bakit laging nagugutom? Kasi hindi nasa-satisfy yung ating hunger and yung ating satiety hormones, right? And those only really get fine-tuned if you eat enough proteins and fats. So the secret is in the proteins, mga kapatid. As long as you understand you have to have enough proteins, you have to have enough fats, it's going to be easy to transition kasi hindi ganun ka dalas na yung pagkagutom, and then eventually the fasting will happen.